You have a website or a YouTube channel or a blog or anything that needs quality new traffic, but you don't know how to get that traffic and you've been trying different methods, but you don't want to run ads. Well, this video we're going to explain exactly, I'm going to explain how exactly you can get free and quality traffic to your website or whatever. So what you're seeing on the screen right now is the top external traffic sources from my YouTube channel over the last 28 days. Now you can see that number one up there is Quora.com. Now for those of you who don't know what Quora.com is, it's an online community where people can ask questions and other people can give answers to those questions. Now Quora.com is what I use to drive free and quality traffic to my YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be a YouTube channel, it can be a website, it can be a blog, it can be anything. So but here's a little bit of a disclaimer. You can't expect to get 1,000 visitors from Quora. You can't expect to have 1,000,000. You can't expect to. I don't even guarantee you 100 visitors. All I guarantee you are visitors, a good amount of visitors to your website or YouTube channel. So in this case, you are seeing that it is number one. That's because I gotten a decent amount of visitors through using Quora. So how it works is that a person who has a particular question that they need an answer to will go on to Quora and ask the question, and people who can answer that question will answer it. And if they have a link or anything that needs more traffic or can give better answers to that question, they leave it there. So what you're seeing, let me describe it. What you're seeing now is a video from my YouTube channel. Let's say I want to drive traffic to this video now. How are we going to do it? So first of all, I'm going to go to Quora.com and sign up to it. I already have an account, but you should sign up to it. So once we sign up to it, we're going to see the home page, blah blah blah. We don't need that. So you're going to see a plus button. If you're using the app, you're going to see a plus button at the bottom. So you press that plus button and ask a question. So let's ask this particular question now. How can I make money as a teenager? So let's ask that question and let's give us the results. So as you're seeing now, you're seeing a bunch of other questions. You see a bunch of other questions there. So pick the one that you know you can answer, or you can answer the question that you directly asked. So once you pick that question, you're going to see a bunch of other people's answers, and you're going to see the answer button up there. So click the answer button. Then what you're going to do, you're going to write a detailed, short or long, but make sure that it's a detailed article that answers that question. So if it's how to make money as a teenager, make sure that you write a detailed, not less than 700 words, um, a detailed article on how you can make money as a teenager. Then at a certain point in the article, whether in the middle or at the end, you put the link. So I'm going to right now you're going to see I'm going to put the link to the YouTube video there. So after we've done that, let me just go. I'm not actually going to write an article in this video. I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, there it is. So we've copied and we've pasted it in there. Now I'm going to put my YouTube video link in there. Great. Now we've put the YouTube video link in there. What we're going to do is press post. Good. Now that we've pressed post, now that we've pressed post, the answer is put up on Quora, and people will be able to. If one people ask that question, they are going to see our answer, and if they press read more on that on the answer, they read everything, and if they are interested in clicking the YouTube video, they click it. They click the YouTube video, and I get views and possibly subscribers to my channel. Now on Quora, you need to know that you don't just put anyhow, you don't just answer anyhow questions. You need to ask questions that people are actively looking for answers to, questions that people are always asking, that you can provide answers to. Don't go up there asking ridiculous questions, and definitely don't go up there putting scams. If you like, put a link there by on Quora. Quora will reject your answer. It probably they could even block you. They've rejected like 3 of my answers already. So what you're seeing on the screen right now is one of my answers on Quora. This is the total amount of views that it has gotten on Quora. Now you can see my video link on it. I hope you can see it. Now let's look at the YouTube video that it is. Look at how many views it has gotten. Compare the views from Quora to YouTube. You can see that it's not really that great. But the fact is that I've gotten views. You should know that on Quora or on any other websites, only 10% of the people that see your things are actually going to do what you want them to do. So if you know you're someone that wants fast results, cuckoo run ads. If you know you're not patient, cuckoo run ads. Or if you know you want free quality traffic, you have to be consistent with this. If you know you want free quality traffic, you need to use Quora.com. Quora is amazing. So if this video was helpful to you, I appreciate a like, and I appreciate it if you subscribe if you are new here. So once again, my name is Olan Kose Akonde, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.